Hey, Oracle devs! Ever needed to send an email straight from your database? Maybe an alert, a daily report, or just a friendly reminder. Today, I'll show you how to send emails using UTL_mail in Oracle in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Enable the required packages. UTL_mail and UTL_SMTP don't come ready out of the box, so you'll need to run some scripts as sysdba. Open your terminal and execute these to our @/rdbm/admin/utlmail.sql, @/rdbm/admin/parvmail.plb, @/rdbm/admin/udlsmtp.sql, @/rdbm/admin/parvtsmtp.pl. Then grant execute on UTL_mail to your schema. It's just grant execute on UTL_mail to your schema. Simple, right? Step 2. Set your SMTP server. This tells Oracle where to send your emails. For example, to use Gmail or Office 365, run alter system set SMTP_out_server =SMTP.yourserver.com-587 scope both. Just replace that with your actual SMTP server address and port. If you're using Oracle 12c or newer, there's a bonus step, ACL configuration. Because Oracle wants to keep things secure, you need to give your schema permission to connect out. Here's how. Begin dbms_ACL_admin.create_ACL. ACL =mail_ACL.xml, description allow mail access, principal Your schema is _grant true, privilege connect. dbms_network_ACL_admin.assign_ACL. ACL mail_ACL.xml, host SMTP.yourserver.com, lower_port 587, upper_port 587, end. Almost there. Now step 4, send your email. Here's a quick example. Begin UTL_mail.send, sender you@yourdomain.com, recipients someone at example.com, subject test email from Oracle DB, message this is a test message sent from the database, mime_type text plain, charset us se, end. Boom! If everything's set up right, the recipient should get your email in seconds. Now a quick heads up, UTL Mail doesn't support authentication. If you're using a public SMTP server like Gmail, you might hit a brick wall without authentication. In that case, check out UTL_SMTP. It's more flexible, but does take some extra setup. So to recap, install and grant package privileges. Configure your SMTP server. Set up an ACL if needed. Call UTL_mail.send to fire off those emails. And that's it. Sending emails from Oracle is easier than you think, if you know these steps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Oracle tips. Thanks for watching and happy coding.